Hi, I'm Laurie Gombash. I'm a pediatric physical therapist and I work in the school setting. I want to share with you what's in my therapy bag. Are you looking for activities that are portable, fun, and that can help your kiddos improve their skills? I have 3 similar items in my bag that can do just that. And they're all found at Therapro. Body awareness cards. I use these all the time. There's 56 cards and they feature Otis, who's the OT gorilla, and he's in different poses. These cards work on body scheme, spatial awareness, and visual perceptual skills. There's 5 levels of difficulty, and quite often I use these in the beginning of the school year just to get an idea of how my kiddos are doing since they've been gone over the summer. I often do physical therapy in preschool and in kindergarten in a push-in setting. So I get a few cards out, I fan them out, and we all take turns selecting a card and then putting ourselves in that position. So for example, all right, I have my feet together and I'm touching my nose with one hand and I have my arm out with the other hand. And then everybody would do that. Some of the body awareness cards that I like: hands on the shoulders, making O's with your feet slightly apart, the one we just did, and then this is my favorite, 2 thumbs up. The next set of fun deck cards that I have in my bag of tricks are called upper body and core strengthening fun decks. There's 52 cards in this set, and they're double-sided. So the fronts have pictures of different upper body activities, and then the backs have a description and a picture. Again, I often take them, figure out which ones I want to do in my therapy session. I push into preschool, and then everyone takes turns selecting a card like crab walk, bridges, wheelbarrow walk, log roll, and propeller. Again, pictures on front, all of the written directions are on the back. The third set of fun deck cards that I use probably the most in my physical therapy practice are move your body fun decks. There are 58 cards in this set, and I love them. I love all of them because the tins are so nice and sturdy, so you can just take them, grab them, and go. These are good for pre-K on up. I use these a lot for children with Down syndrome, mild cerebral palsy, and autism. These cards help children improve their strength, their balance, their coordination, and their motor planning. Sometimes I find the cards I want, I fan them out like I showed you earlier. Sometimes I make a choice board. Giving children choices is so very important. So I come into the classroom and I have a choice board, and then everyone takes turns making a choice. So there's marching, lift or kick your leg out in front of you, gallop like a horse, stand like a flamingo, fly like an airplane, or stomp like a dinosaur. Everyone takes turns isolating their pointing finger and pointing to the card they want. Then they're the leader, and then we all march around the room. So these are just a few of the examples that I use, how I use the fun deck cards in my physical therapy practice. I know my OT colleagues use fun deck all the time too. They use them as warm-ups for their fine motor activity. They can use them as station work in kindergarten during a push-in activity, or they can just use them exclusively as their therapy tool. How will you use the fun deck cards to help students succeed?